Hey everybody, this is JD again with River Rat Survival, and today I've got another knot for you that I like to use whenever I'm dressing game of about any size, really. If you feel the need that you need to hang it up or you don't have somewhere that you want to lay it without getting anything in the meat, this works really nice. What it's called is the handcuff knot, and here's how you do it, and I'll show it twice just in case you miss it the first time. Take your string or cordage, flip over to the right on the left, over to the right on the right, like so. Go over, under, and over. You should have a knot like this. And something else I like to do with these is take and twist the end and pull it through so that you have kind of a slipping knot on the end. And you can put the legs through here and then still pull it tight as it's fastened, and it will also have a bite here and pull tight here. And then between the legs you take a stick to hold them apart if needed, so it's easier to get the skin off. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, over on the left, to the right, over on the right, to the right, over, under, over, and done. And pull this tight, and I'll show you here how I like to do this. Get some big loops. Take your end, fold and pull through, and fold and pull through, and pretend my fingers are the legs. Okay, so you have your legs here, which is adjustable this way, and then you just put you have your legs here, put your stick here to hold them apart, and draw this tight, and then you can put a simple bow in here to keep it from pulling out, just like so. And you can hang them from a tree branch or whatever you need to hang them from. And I find that it really helps stabilize the animal. Sometimes I'll even put them around the bottom legs as well, and make the loop long enough so that it'll wrap around my foot, so I can hold it this way also, and it also keeps it from twisting around and stuff. So again, this is JD with River Rat Survival, and this is another helpful knot that I've found. Hope it helps you as much as it's helped me. Thanks again. Go easy.